Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the derivative of the integration. So now I will show you how to answer. The formula of this one, that should be about capital F of S equals to the integration from A to B f of t dt. So if we do first derivative of this one, we will do first derivative of b, and the value of b will change for t. Minus, we do first derivative of a, and the value of a will change for t. Now we can apply this formula for this one. So we will have about first derivative of the function. We will do first derivative of s, and the value of s will change for t. Now we have the negative sign here. Minus, we do first derivative of s squared multiplied by the value of s squared will change for t and t. So first derivative of s, you got about number 1. So we just simplify like this. First derivative of s squared, you got about 2s. This one you got about s to the power of 6. So this one you got about s to the power of number 4. This one we can write into 2s to the power of number 7. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.